Member of phylum Aschelminthes are also known as roundworms because their body is circular in cross section. Roundworms may be free-living, aquatic, terrestrial, or parasitic in plants and animals. Free-living refer to those organisms that do not rely on a host for survival as opposed to a parasitic organisms. Roundworms have bilateral symmetry. They are triploblastic animals, pseudocoelomate animals. They have organ system level of body organization. Pseudocoelomate animals are those animals in which the body cavity is not lined by mesoderm. Instead, mesoderm is present as scattered pouches in between the ectoderm and endoderm. Example of roundworms are Ascaris, which is also known as roundworm. Ascaris can infect the intestine of humans and animals. Wuchereria, which is a filarial worm. Wuchereria can cause lymphatic filariasis in humans. And Encyclostomata, which is also known as hookworm. In roundworms, alimentary canal is complete with a well-developed muscular pharynx. An excretory tube removes body wastage from the body cavity through the excretory pore. Roundworms are dioecious. It means males and females are distinct or sexes are separate. Oftenly, males are shorter than females. Fertilization is internal in them, and development may be direct or indirect. In direct developments, young ones resemble the adults. Member of phylum Annelida may be terrestrial, aquatic, marine water and freshwater both, free living and sometimes parasite. I have already told that word free living means those organisms which do not rely on host as opposed to parasite. Some examples are Nereis ferretima, which is also known as earthworm, Hirudinaria, which is also known as blood-sucking leech. Nereis is an aquatic form, whereas ferretima and Hirudinaria are monoecious. Monoecious refer to those organisms that have both male and female reproductive organ on the same individual. Annulus is a Latin word which means little ring. Annelids have bilateral symmetry. Annelids are triploblastic animals and coelomate animals. Their body is metamerically segmented. Word segment means a distinct division or part of an organism's body, typically separated by joints or boundaries. Annelids have organ system level of body organization. Annelids possess longitudinal and circular muscles which help in locomotion. Locomotion is the movement of an organism from one place to another. Aquatic annelids like Nereis possess lateral appendages, parapodia, which help in swimming. An appendage is a projecting part of an organism's body that typically has a distinct function. Appendages include limbs, antennae, fins, wings, and other protrusions. In annelids, nephridium is present, which help in osmoregulation and excretion. Osmoregulation is the process by which organisms regulate the balance of water and salts in their body to maintain homeostasis. This balance is crucial for the proper functioning of cells and organs. Excretion means removal of wastage from the body. Plural form of nephridium is nephridia. Annelids have closed circulatory system. In closed circulatory system, blood is confined to flow through blood vessels like arteries, veins. A ganglion is a structure containing a collection of nerve cell bodies, typically linked by synapses, and is part of the peripheral nervous system. Neural system of annelids consist of paired ganglia connected by lateral nerves to a double ventral nerve cord. A nerve cord is a major bundle of nerve fibers that runs longitudinally along the body of an organism, serving as a primary pathway for transmitting nerve signals. Plural form of a ganglion is ganglia. Reproduction is sexual in annelids. Phylum Arthropoda is the largest phylum of Animalia, which include insects. Over two-thirds of all named species on Earth are arthropods. Arthropods have bilateral symmetry. They are triploblastic animals. Triploblastic animals are those animals in which the cells are arranged into three embryonic layers: endoderm, mesoderm, and ectoderm. They are coelomate animals. Mostly they are oviparous and most of them are dioecious. Oviparous means they are egg laying animals. Variety of animals are present in phylum Arthropoda. Some are economically important to us. For example, Apis, which is also known as honeybee, makes honey. Bombyx, silkworm. Lacifer, lac insect. Some are vectors. For example, Anopheles, which is a vector for Plasmodium, a protozoan that causes malaria. Culex is a vector for Wuchereria vancrafti, a parasitic worm that causes lymphatic filariasis. Aedes mosquito are vector for transmitting dengue fever and chikungunya disease. A pest is any organism that is considered harmful or undesirable because it damages crops, livestock, property, or poses a threat to human health. One gregarious pest is Locusta. Limulus king crab is a living fossil. A living fossil is an organism that has remained relatively unchanged over a long geological time span and closely resembles its ancient relatives known from the fossil record. These organisms provide insights into evolutionary process and ancient ecosystems. Arthros in arthropoda means joint and poda means appendages. It means arthropods have jointed appendages. Body arthropod consists of chitinous skeleton and consists of head, thorax, abdomen. Body of arthropod is covered by chitinous exoskeleton and consists of head, thorax, and abdomen. Chitin is a long chain polymer of an acetylglucosine and acetylglucosine derivative glucose, and it is a prime component of the whole of a open circulatory system is present in arthropod. Open circulatory system means blood is not confined to blood vessels but flows freely from body tissues. Fertilization is usually internal and development may be direct or indirect in arthropods. Respiratory organs are gills, book lungs, and tracheal systems. Gills are respiratory organ found in many aquatic arthropods such as crustaceans like crabs, lobsters, etc. And book lungs dent in glass arenid like spiders, scorpion. Sensory organs are antenna, eyes, stetocyst or balancing organ. Eyes can be compound or simple. Stetocyst is a sensory organ. It functions similar to vestibular system in vertebrates. that helps the organism to maintain its equilibrium and orientation in space. Excretory organ is Malpighian tubules in arthropods.